Where is Daddy?
Hi, sweetie. Hey. Hey. How old are you now? Huh?
You can't.
Can you get her?
Come sit over here.
Take out. Take out.
Take what out?
No.
Happy birthday to you! You're the birthday girl! It's your day! How old are you?
People doing?
How old are you? Are you 5?
5 years old. Wow, you're old.
How old are you?
Old enough to take her house.
You want a present? Look, that one's for you. Wow. Now that one's for you. Oh my goodness. Do you want to take it to the floor? We can open them?
Let's go open them.
You want to?
He's been waiting to.
Come on. Are we going to water the flowers? We got some sand toys.
Oh, sand toys. Nice.
What are those? Shovel.
Nice. We gotta go to the beach.
Yeah, shovels. What else is in there? What else is in here? What is it? What? I know what it is. It's a bunny.
Little
Hop, hop, hop.
bunny.
Bunny and a rake. Show Daddy.
Where do you use those? Where do you play with those toys at?
Look at this one. What's that?
Do we take that to the beach and play in the sand?
We got a bucket. And another bucket. 2 buckets. And
Those
look.
are going to be fun at the playground too.
And look, it's a castle.
Oh, you can make sand castles.
Yay!
Those are so much fun. I'm totally jealous.
Okay, ready? Open this one.
Daisy, it's your birthday. No.
What's in there?
What's in there?
Oh.
Oh.
What is that?
Oh,
that's so pretty. Look.
It's a cute shirt.
Well, there's more in here. Here. Look.
That's too cute.
So cute.
Oh, should we show
Another
Daddy?
one.
Wow.
There's more.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, look. What are those? They're short.
Here, Mikey.
You got another pair of shorts.
Wow.
Here, Michael.
Think they'll fit Uncle Mike?
Should I try them on? I don't think they're gonna fit me.
Okay, look, one more. One more.
Oh, that's a pretty bow, Michaela.
That's gonna stay on, I think. Oh,
Oh, show me. What did you get?
Yeah, let's see
Show me.
I'm more interested in our sand toys.
Yeah, this is really funny because I got the same
That's
one.
really cute.
Oh, you did?
What size are they?
2T. 2T.
Shoot, mine are 2T.
It's
But I think the tags are still on.
alright. Yeah, the tags are still on that one.
And there's a shirt, right?
Uh-huh.
That has a flower on it.
Yeah,
It
it's still in
Oh, these
here.
are adorable.
says- That's so funny that we would pick
I
the exact
know.
same one.
Thank you.
Yeah, she
These
does
toys
too.
are fun.
Oh, that is too cute.
I hope
So
it's still
yeah.
got
You
my-
need.
And then this one too.
Thank you. Here.
Aww.
And it's got these.
Oh, how cute.
Oh.
Okay, so now we have the big present for Michaela's birthday. It's a few days after her birthday, but we're celebrating it today. And this is the first time she's ever seen it.
What is that?
It's a big jumper. Come on this side. Over here. You got to climb up the slide. Right there, right there.
That's too cute.
You climb up?
Well, that's a tough climb.
She
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Are you gonna jump?
You got to jump around.
Jump, jump. Woo!
Good job. What a great surprise.
Michaela, you can come down the slide. What? Go down the slide. Ready? Go!
Yay.
Wanna go back in?
Can you climb in?
Oh, she can.
Oh, she did it.
Yep.
Wow. That's so fun.
Wow, look at her face. Are you happy? Do you like your present?
Happy birthday, Michaela.
Do you like your present? Happy birthday. You think Mike should go in there with you?
Are you going there?
Is he gonna jump with you? Okay. Going in. Getting in. Here we go. Yay. Here we go.
Yay. Can I jump? Is it okay?
I don't know if I would jump.
Okay. Well,
Maybe just like on your knees, yeah.
look at bounce. Oh, I can bounce you.
She loves it.
I know.
Knock me over?
Push Uncle Michael down. Push Uncle Michael down.
Can you jump on me? No. Let's jump.
Is he bouncing you?
You want to get on the slide? Let's go down the slide.
She's telling him to get out.
Hi.